Yay! Good girl!
Good.
Okay. Valerie, come on. Show me where's your tummy. Where's your tummy? No, where's your tummy? Huh?
My ear.
Show me. Alright. Where's your armpit? Good girl. Where's your elbow? Okay. Where's your eyes? Where's your eyebrows? Eyebrows. Alright. Where's your lips? Where's your tongue? Where's your nose? Where's your ears? Where's your belly button? Show me, show me. Show me your belly button. Show me your belly button. Show me. Show me your belly button. Right there. Where's your forehead? Where's your head? Where's your hair? Okay. You're eating? What are you eating? Hmm? What are you eating? Popcorn! Can I have this, Valerie?
Yeah.
I thought that's mine.
That's mine.
Where's your daddy? Where?
My ear.
Is daddy ugly?
No.
No? Daddy friend ugly?
I'm happy.
You're humping. Let me see.
Here. Tiptoe.
Okay, say bye-bye na.
Bye, camera.
Say bye, YouTube.
Bye, Kuptub.
YouTube.
Bye, Kuptub.
How old are you?
2.
2. Okay, you're turning 3?
Yeah.
When?
When is Saturday?
Say, I'm turning 3 next year.
I think
Next year. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye, kiss.
Daddy. Hello.
Say bye, kiss.